Hi everyone, welcome back to another update on VoiceInk. This is an update on version 1.29 and there are some features that we have added, and especially we'll talk about Super Whisper like power mode, which is one of the major update of this version. And there have been other minor changes and updates, but they are not that big, such as we have got a better and prominent recording visualizer which looks like this. You can see here the visualizer looks much better now than the previous one that we had. You can see here, so we removed the enhancement option that we had here and instead replaced it with the power mode icon, which we are using right now, for which we are using emoji, and you can see it is not toggleable right now because power mode is disabled. So this is an update regarding the visualizer. Then we have the update regarding the hotkey change as well. Previously you could press command 1 through 9 to change the prompt, but now it will be used to change the power mode instead. And these are some other fixes regarding Olama model not showing up in the UI and prompt templates not showing in the UI. Now let's talk about the Super Whisper like power mode and how you can use it. It will be useful in multiple cases and can help you very well to deal with multiple scenarios. So I'm gonna launch VoiceInk over here and I'm on version 1.29. I'll go to power mode section and by default it will be disabled, enable power mode, and I have three modes over here: default configuration, email, and vibe coding. These are the ones that I have created. This will be the fallback power mode. When using VoiceInk, if none of the custom power mode fits the criteria, it will fall back to the default configuration. And for default configuration, I have selected model as large V3 turbo with core ML support and language is English, and I have disabled AI enhancement. Let me show you how it will work. So I have created a custom power mode called as email, which will trigger when I use the application mail, or you can add more applications if you have email related applications. I only use mail application, the default mail application from Apple. Then I use Gmail, whose website is mail.google.com, so you will need to add it here, mail.google.com, just like this. Now the way the power mode works is whenever it detects that you are on the mail application or email website, it will automatically switch to this power mode so that you don't have to make the changes yourself. And for transcription we are using large V3 turbo, language is English. I have enabled AI enhancement. AI provider is Gemini, AI model Gemini 2.0 flashlight, and for enhancement mode I have selected the email prompt which I have created, and I have enabled context awareness. If you want to create a new prompt, you can just click on plus and select from one of the available prompts, or you can just create a new one by asking to the AI to create a prompt for your special use case. You can see here AI enhancement is disabled. We have Gemini, model is English, and we have disabled in context and everything. But if I switch to, let's say, mail application, right? And now if I launch VoiceInk, it will automatically use the configurations that we have set. Now you can see here we are already selected on the mail power mode, and it will automatically apply those configurations. Now you can also switch the power mode right after you start recording. So if you want to switch to default, you just need to press command 1, just like this, it will switch to it. If you want to switch to another one, you just need to press command 2, command 3, like command 1 through 9 to switch between different ones. Or you can also click on it, click on this emoji icon, and you will be able to select the power mode using your mouse. So this is an example of using power mode. You will be able to configure different configurations for different contexts or scenarios. This is a significant improvement over our previous power mode feature, which was simple bare bone power mode, and I created it in the initial phase of VoiceInk because I felt that it was much easier to use VoiceInk that way. But I soon realized that Super Whisper had this better approach, and this power mode implementation is inspired by Super Whisper as well. So this is all for the update video. I hope you guys will love this power mode update, and it will help to use VoiceInk in better ways, in a more effective way. Especially this can be used in cases where you want to switch to different languages for different scenarios. There were tons of users in the emails asking me how I can switch to different language. Now this is a better way. You can create a custom power mode, and in each power mode you have a different language, and now you can just press the command 1 through 9 to select that power mode, and it will automatically apply that language. You can also select the auto detect for language, but auto detect does not work accurately with small audio segments. So this is all for the video. See you again in the next update. Bye.